Leave me. India will be a much better place after you have left us to ourselves.
That's precisely what we ought to do, Mr. Gandhi. Our only fear is whether it's possible to minimize the violence and the bloodshed which is predicted in this subcontinent when it breaks into Hindustan, Pakistan, and Princestan.
Then don't break India.
But what about Mr. Jinnah's Pakistan?
Why will you listen to my brother Jinnah if you are not ready to listen to others? And why do you presume that Jinnah will not see sense when you meet him in Shimla?
I do wish your hopes come true when we meet in Simla, but it is important that you're also present there.
What will I do there? I'm neither a member of the Congress nor of the Muslim League or of the other outfits that you have invited there.
But still, we will need your wise counsel in Simla when discussions are held about an interim government and a new constitution for India.